Tomorrow is a 48 First Alert Weather Day, sponsored by Mr. Rooter Plumbing for all your emergency plumbing services.
Hey, and make sure as you're watching all of your sports tomorrow, you're also keeping a close eye on the weather. We do have a chance for strong to severe storms likely late tomorrow evening and early on Sunday, but that timeline could move up a bit. Just make sure you are paying very close attention to updates in the near future. Not much going on today. Live look at Madison and I-565 where traffic is backed up as I know a lot of people heading to the home opener of the Trash Pandas. Weather looking good for now. We have been watching quite closely for any development, but most locations will stay dry as that boundary that's been stalled to our northwest continues to track farther back to the west. Severe weather still ongoing from eastern Texas through Arkansas and into western Tennessee. Several confirmed tornadoes already there in eastern Texas. For us, low chances of any storm development, especially severe weather as we head throughout the rest of your Friday. Temperatures very warm for this time of year. Some places even nudged 90 degrees. Here in Huntsville, right at 87 degrees. Same story in Muscle Shoals. And winds out of the south keep increasing humidity levels. Expect breezy winds at times through the evening with occasional gusts between 20 and 25 miles per hour. And winds will stay elevated likely through Saturday with morning lows falling back into the upper 60s and lower 70s. That severe threat will materialize after sunset with locations along and west of I-65 likely having the highest risk. All modes of severe weather remain possible, including damaging wind gusts to large hail, but we will have to monitor quite closely for any embedded spin-ups within this line. This model particularly is quite early, but the majority of our model guidance continues to trend later, likely close to midnight. This threat will be an overnight event, so make sure you have multiple ways to receive weather alerts, and we will see periods of heavy rainfall continuing through Sunday afternoon, so we'll also keep a close eye on flooding concerns. Main storm timeline areas in red. 10 o'clock in the evening, likely to 3 o'clock in the morning on Sunday, and areas in yellow 2 o'clock to 6 o'clock Sunday morning. Some areas could very well pick up 1 to 3 inches of rainfall in a very short period of time. And again, this is going to be a very slow moving system, and this is what will increase those flooding concerns. Once the rain ends late Sunday, much cooler and drier air will rush in. Expect high temperatures for your next work and school week on Monday to only climb into the 50s with plenty of sunshine expected through the week. That's a look at your local weather forecast. Join us right back here after this break.